carpenter Kelly, who is holding the camera because he doesn't want to be on it, but he's pretty much the mind behind all of this. So we have our 7x16 cargo trailer that we are converting into a travel trailer. So we're gonna just kind of walk through and give you some instructional videos and let you know what we're doing, what maybe you can use some of it, but this is what we're doing. So far what we've done is we've taken off all the wood panels and we're getting ready to insulate. So my son Morgan and I, what we did is we insulated the inside and we're covering this while Kelly worked on the electrical. So obviously it didn't really take us that long, maybe probably only like 3 hours just to work on the pieces that we have. And once we figure out the measurements, it's a pretty easy process to get this insulation in. And what kind of insulation are we using, Kelly? We're using the, what is it called? We're just using the foam insulation. I don't know what it's called, and Kelly's not talking, so this is going to be a fun video too, because guaranteed to have some type of bloopers, some types of laughs. He's laughing behind and he can't even contain it. But we're using 2 inches?
1 inch.
1 inch foam insulation, and then on the top we're going to use 1.5 inches for the roof, but we have, or for the ceiling, but we got to get all the electrical part for that. And one of the biggest things is to make sure that you are planning and you're thinking about where your light fixtures are going to go, your electrical USB fixtures. That's all going to be important to make sure that you pre-plan before you actually start getting into it, and you know where everything's going to go. So with that, we're done for the day, and we'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe, but I don't have a channel quite yet, so make sure to subscribe. Kelly and Jen's Adventures. Take care.